In today's video, we're going to talk about the three paths to wealth: stocks, real estate, and business. Stocks. Stocks are a popular way to build wealth over the long term and a good choice for new investors as they have a lower barrier to entry. With just a few dollars, you can own a piece of a company and participate in its growth. You can invest in individual stocks or invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks through index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Look for companies with a proven track record of growth and profitability. Real estate. Real estate is another popular path to wealth but requires a bit of capital to get started. Investing in real estate allows you to generate passive income through rental properties or flip properties for a profit. Look for properties that are located in growing markets and have a solid potential for appreciation. You can also invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs, to diversify your real estate investments. Business. Starting your own business will be your quickest path to wealth, but carries a lot of risks. If you have a unique idea and a solid plan in place, that risk can be mitigated significantly. Starting a business allows you to generate income and build equity over time. Look for businesses in growing industries with a proven track record of success. Be prepared to invest time and money into your business in order to see results. Unknown fact. Did you know that some of the wealthiest people in the world have built their wealth through a combination of stocks, real estate, and business investments? These three paths to wealth offer different opportunities for growth and diversification.